So in my last video, I showed you how much YouTube paid me for going live daily for 24 days on this channel. And I talked about the analytics and everything that's related to that exercise. And I promise that I'm going to talk about YouTube Short next, because in that video, everything was all about live stream and how it can affect the growth of your channel. And there's this assumption that many creators have that making shorts or YouTube shorts on their channel will hurt the growth of their channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you or let you know how much YouTube paid a 12-month-old channel that got over 300 million views on their YouTube shorts. So I'm going to let you know how much they earned from that, all those views and other things that relates to this channel, and how creating YouTube shorts on your channel will affect the growth of your channel. Now, if you're new on YouTube, there's three major video type of content that you can create on your channel. That is the shorts, the long form video, and live stream. And these three type of content have the role they play towards the growth of your channel. So there's this assumption that many have that if you create YouTube shorts on your channel, it will definitely hurt the growth of your channel. So I'm going to talk more about this and also let you have an idea of what you should expect if you're starting a new YouTube channel. So currently, this channel was created sometime around December 2024. That is like about a year ago. Around March, some of their videos went viral, and around April 7th, their channel got monetized. That is just like some few weeks after their video went viral, they got their channel monetized. And currently, this channel has gotten over 321 million views, 701 watch time hours, 118,000 subscribers, and I'm going to let you know the revenue much later. It is very obvious that if you create long form content, you just start a channel from scratch, it is very rare for you to achieve this feat with long form content. Let me take you to the other analytics of this channel. So this channel, like from when they got their channel monetized, that was last April, that should be like about 8 months ago, they have already gotten 300 million views from their YouTube shorts, and it has earned them over $10,000. That is within the space of 8 months. And their long form videos have gotten over 1 million views and has earned them almost $1,000. One unique thing about this channel is that they have been creating long form content from the start, and at some point they now switched to creating more of short form content, like YouTube shorts, and that blew their channel to the next level. Imagine getting over 118,000 subscribers within a space of 12 months. Is something that most long form content channels will hardly achieve. If you want to grow fast, you want to reach wider audience, YouTube Short is the way to go. When you create YouTube Short, it has more avenue through the traffic sources on the YouTube algorithm, like especially the short feed, where people can easily get your channel noticed. Like for example, if you open your YouTube app, in most cases, the first set of videos you are going to be recommended to is short form content. This shows how powerful YouTube Shorts is. That is, if a content creator on YouTube. So don't underestimate the power of YouTube Shorts, in terms of growing your channel very fast. However, there's this impression, and it's not an impression, but there's this fact that when you get YouTube Shorts, it will hurt your channel. And even at that, even the whole views that you get from your YouTube Shorts will not equate to a reasonable amount. But imagine this channel, just within a space of 8 months, they have already earned $10,000 from YouTube Shorts. So that is one side. So, and most channels within their category that uploads only long form content will hardly earn up to this revenue. Not minding that this short got over 300 million views, which if it is on a long form content, they should be raking in over $300,000. Now, the misconception about YouTube Short that many creators do have, I'm going to take you to the next section of their analytics. Now, on this channel, you can see that 90% of their subscribers came through short feeds, that is through YouTube Short, and less than 5,000 of the total subscribers on their channel came through long form content, that is from the watch page, from your YouTube channel, YouTube search, and all the rest. So about 5,000 subscribers out of these 118,000 subscribers are from long form content. Now, the funny thing about this channel is that when they upload long form content, it hardly gets up to 1,000 views, but when they upload short form content, it gets thousands of views. So now, most creators or most analysts will assume that it is because this channel was uploading only YouTube Shorts or uploading more of YouTube Shorts. That's the reason why their long form content weren't growing. No, that's not the case. If you remove the equation of short form content on this channel is just a 5,000 subscriber size channel. Okay, so let's go to their content. So here I have their long form content. So if you check from their long form content, you see that their views on their long form content hardly hits up to 1,000 views. It hardly hits. It's in the hundreds. But when you check the short form content, you can see that all their short form contents, most of them hit thousands of views. So this is how powerful YouTube Short is. So I will advise you that if you have the opportunity to create more YouTube Shorts, create them. They give you that visibility. And you know, one good thing about YouTube Short is that even people who don't know you, they can get to know you through your YouTube Shorts. But when you create only long form content, yes, any views that you get value for each views you get, but that visibility will not be there. If you're starting out on YouTube is a long-term project, and it is much easier, like I always say, it is much easier to monetize a new YouTube channel now than ever before. So, and I always say that if you create a new channel, when you are consistent and you are doing, creating quality videos on your channel, it shouldn't take you up to 6 months to monetize your channel. Like most channels that I've worked with, they hardly hit that 6 months threshold. Within their 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month, just a few that got their channel monetized that stayed over 6 months before they get their channel monetized. But most channels monetize their channel within a space of 6 months. So if you're creating a new channel or you want to start out, I would advise that you be patient, be consistent, and also maintain one niche. You see, one of the key element, or one of the things that I notice among these channels that monetize in less than 6 months is that they are always consistent with their niche. They don't do different things on different days. They always upload similar kind of content over the months, and within a short period they get their channel monetized. So when you start out and you expect the YouTube to do their thing, like if I show you the numbers, the views on this channel when they started out, it wasn't impressive. They even struggled to get up to 200 views at some point. But in the 4th month, they got their break, and in the subsequent months, they got their channel monetized. So create YouTube Short. It doesn't harm your channel. All you need to understand is that when you are getting more views on your YouTube Shorts and you are getting lower views on your long form content, go to your analytics, check so that you actually know the actual size of your long form content. So based on that, you shouldn't expect too much from the views you get from your short videos. I hope this video was helpful, and don't underestimate the power of creating short form content. they would, take your channel very far, not minding that you're not getting the revenue. So that leads us to, when you are getting this traffic, what are other ways that you can earn more outside YouTube? Outside creating content on YouTube. So if you want to get a little idea about how you can make more outside your YouTube ad revenue, let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next one.